Welcome back to Auto Hub Info, your #1 destination for the latest in the automotive world, where we break down the hottest rides and upcoming models to keep you in the fast lane of knowledge. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Kia K8, a bold and luxurious sedan that's redefining the way we look at premium vehicles coming from South Korea. If you thought Kia was all about economy cars, think again, because the K8 is here to shake up the executive sedan market with cutting-edge tech, high performance, and a design that turns heads wherever it goes. The Kia K8 is a full-size luxury sedan that serves as a replacement for the Kia Cadenza, also known in some markets as the Kia K7. First introduced in 2021, the K8 was designed to signal a new direction for the brand, one rooted in bold styling, refined craftsmanship, and advanced technology. With the 2026 model, Kia continues to refine that vision, pushing even further into the realm of luxury and performance. The K8 isn't just another sedan, it's a declaration that Kia is ready to compete with big names like Lexus, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz in the premium segment. When we talk about the invention of the K8, it's important to understand its origin story. The vehicle was developed as a replacement for the Cadenza, a car that already carried a solid reputation for comfort and refinement. Kia wanted to step it up, and with the K8, they aimed to bring something fresh and forward-thinking to the table. It incorporates the brand's new design philosophy known as Opposites United, blending sharp lines with fluid curves, and pairing aggressive athleticism with elegant serenity. This design language is evident in every inch of the K8, from its tiger nose grille reinterpretation to its sleek, fastback-inspired silhouette. South Korea is the primary home market for the K8, and it remains the country where the model is most commonly used and sold. However, the K8 has also gained traction in regions such as the Middle East and select parts of Europe and Asia, where buyers are looking for a premium vehicle that offers high-end features without the sky-high price tag of German competitors. While it hasn't officially entered the US market in large numbers, interest in the K8 continues to grow due to its upscale nature and global buzz. In terms of popularity, the Kia K8 has carved a niche for itself among drivers who want something different, something that blends traditional luxury with modern sensibilities. Its popularity is especially high among professionals and executives who appreciate a well-appointed cabin, seamless tech integration, and confident performance. Reviews have consistently praised its ride comfort, quietness, and the luxurious ambiance of its interior. The K8 stands out because it offers near-luxury features at a more accessible price point, making it a strong value proposition. Performance-wise, the 2026 Kia K8 offers a range of engine options to suit various driving preferences. The base model typically comes equipped with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing around 197 horsepower, which is smooth and efficient for everyday commuting. But for those who crave more excitement, Kia also offers a 3.5-liter V6 engine that delivers up to 300 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This setup ensures brisk acceleration and responsive handling, while maintaining the poise expected from a luxury sedan. There's also a mild hybrid version in some markets, which adds a 48V electric system to improve efficiency without sacrificing performance. Speaking of fuel efficiency, the 2026 Kia K8 impresses with numbers that are competitive for its class. The four-cylinder variant can deliver approximately 30 miles per gallon on the highway, while the V6 manages around 26 miles per gallon, quite efficient for a full-size sedan with a large engine. The mild hybrid version takes it a step further by enhancing low-speed fuel economy and offering regenerative braking, making it a great option for city driving. When it comes to capabilities, the K8 isn't built for off-roading or high-performance track days, but it excels in what it's designed for: luxury cruising, long-distance comfort, and tech-savvy commuting. It offers a smooth and composed ride, with adaptive suspension available on higher trims to absorb bumps and provide a serene driving experience. It's a car built for highways, business trips, and family outings, blending power with comfort in a way that's rare in this segment. Let's talk about the key features that make the 2026 K8 a standout. Inside, you're welcomed by a luxurious cabin with materials that rival those in much more expensive cars. Soft leather, real wood trim, and brushed aluminum accents set the tone. The dashboard is dominated by a massive 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster seamlessly joined with a 12.3-inch infotainment screen. This curved display setup offers a futuristic look and intuitive controls. Features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a head-up display, a premium Meridian sound system, ambient lighting, and even massage seats are available depending on the trim. For those who prioritize safety, the K8 doesn't disappoint, offering a full suite of driver assistance technologies including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning with automatic braking. Pricing for the 2026 Kia K8 varies depending on the configuration and market. In South Korea, the base model starts around 37 million won, which roughly translates to about $28,000 to $30,000 USD. Higher trims with the V6 engine and added luxury features can push the price above $40,000, but even at that level, the K8 offers tremendous value. Compared to German rivals, it delivers nearly the same level of tech and comfort for thousands less. The biggest selling point of the 2026 Kia K8 is its ability to offer premium quality at an affordable price. It's a car that delivers the look and feel of a luxury sedan, without the bloated price tag or costly maintenance associated with traditional luxury brands. Combine that with Kia's strong warranty coverage, and you've got a sedan that makes a compelling case for anyone looking to step up their driving experience. It's also a great example of how far Korean automakers have come, showcasing their ability to compete at the highest level in terms of design, innovation, and performance. So, whether you're a professional looking for a sophisticated ride, a tech lover chasing innovation, or simply someone who values comfort and reliability in a sleek package, the 2026 Kia K8 deserves a spot on your shortlist. It's not just a car, it's a statement. And here at AutoHub Info, we think it's one of the smartest choices you can make in the full-size sedan segment today. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the latest and greatest from the automotive world, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a ride.